Lighten your skin immediately with this mask. Completely natural and without chemicals. Let's get started. A spoonful of rice flour. A spoonful of oats. A spoonful of milk. A teaspoon of lemon juice. A spoonful of yogurt. Best part: mix time. When the texture is this way, it means it's ready to use. Using this mask is a bit special. When using the mask, either repeat with me or look carefully at the movements of my handle. Apply the mask to the face in places you like using cotton. Great. Now wait 10 minutes before the facial massage with the mask, and then start the facial massage. Let's go for the next step. For a sufficient massage, massage your face in a circular and linear way with just your 2 fingers like me. You can do this for up to 5 minutes. Wash your face with cold water and see the result. Let's go see the result. Before using this mask, take a photo and compare the result. I really see my skin soften and my skin lightened. You can use this mask twice a week. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race.